Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install the latest version of Composer for PHP on a Windows operating system. So to watch the video till the end, I can guarantee if you watch the video till the end, you'll be learning a lot of new things. And if you still face any issues in middle, you can always ask me on our comment sections. And I'm also on Instagram now, so if you are facing any issues, you can also ask me on our Instagram by sending all of your screenshots and everything, and I'll definitely going to help you. So now to install Composer, first thing that you will need is PHP. So for that you need to first simply go to favorite browser and then you need to search over here PHP download and hit enter. So that can show you this www.php.net as the first search result. So you need to click on this downloads and it's going to redirect to this page. Here you need to scroll down and you will see Windows download. So you need to click on this Windows download and it's going to redirect to this page. So latest version at the time of making of this video, the PHP version available is 8.3.13. So what you need to do is you need to scroll down and you will see thread safe. So you need to click on the zip file and immediately you will see that our file is rightly started downloading version 8.3.13. So by the time it get downloaded, let's also download Composer. So just type Composer download and that's going to show you this getcomposer.org as a first search result. So to click on this download Composer latest. So latest version at the time of making of this video is version 2.8.1. so you will see this Composer setup.exe lying over here. You need to click on this link and immediately you will see that file is also rightly started downloading. So now we both have Composer and PHP. So let's go to our download directory now. So you can see that both our PHP and Composer is rightly downloaded. Let's first extract our PHP and install our PHP. So click on extract all. So click on extract. So file will get rightly extracted over here. And it has also opened. So this is our extracted folder. So let's go inside this folder. So we'll see all these files. So let's rename this folder to something little shorter. So rename this till PHP 8.3.13 and keep it like this. Now just right click and cut this folder and go to your C drive and just simply right click and paste this folder, PHP folder. Now just simply go inside that folder. You will see all files and folders over here. You will also see php.exe. So this is what we need to point to Composer. I'm going to show you all of that in this video itself. No need to worry. So what you need to do is then you need to click on this address bar, right click and copy this path. Alright, and now you need to go to search and just simply type environ. So that will show you this edit the system environment variables. So under system properties, just simply click on environment variable, and under system variables, just simply click on path and click on edit. So that will open this edit environment variable window. Just simply click on new, then right click and paste that PHP path over here. Just simply click on OK, then again OK, and then again OK. So now you know that your PHP is successfully installed, PHP path is also successfully set. It's time to install our Composer. Just go to files and double click on the Composer. Just install for all users, recommended. It will ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes, and there you go. So our Composer installation wizard is rightly open. Just simply click on next. So it's going to use this PHP what we have just now installed. So remember on C drive we have pasted this PHP 8.3.13 folder, and within that we have php.exe. so that path it is rightly recognized. So that's why it is very important to have PHP installed first on your system. So when it is done, just simply click on next. So you can see that it is rightly started installing. Just simply click on next. Everything is fine, install. So it is rightly done. Just simply click on next and finish. So now that you know that both PHP and Composer is rightly installed, it's time to verify whether Composer is successfully installed on your system or not. So to do that, just simply go to search and just simply type cmd to open your command prompt, and within command prompt if you just simply type Composer and hit enter, you will see this prompt. So if this prompt is coming, then all that basically means is your Composer is successfully installed on your system. You can see Composer over here and Composer version 2.8.1 as well. That is showing on our console. So in this way you can easily install latest version of Composer on Windows operating system. On my previous videos I have also showed you how to use this Composer itself to install Laravel and CodeIgniter. So Laravel and CodeIgniter are a very popular PHP framework that extensively used on web development. You'll be able to see that our CodeIgniter project is actually started running on the server. This path, just press Ctrl on your keyboard and click on this link, and it's going to show you this, whatever so they are on recommend this file. Please do also watch those couple of videos about how to install or how to create Laravel or CodeIgniter project. Apart from that, on this channel you will also get lot of videos on WordPress, how to create an e-commerce store. Today I am going to show you the best way to create an e-commerce website in less than 50 minutes. So after watching this video, you will be able to create your very own online store just like this for free. And your customer will be able to view your products and then will be add them onto your cart and then use your unique promo code to get a discount. And then they can even make orders right from your website. And the best part is whatever I am going to show you on this video will be completely free, so you don't need to spend any money on web developers or theme or even templates. How to create the only place where any WordPress website like a gym website, I have made a tutorial on that as well, or how to create a portfolio website, everything you will get on this channel. So all those video link I'll be putting on our description along with the playlist. So I highly recommend you do also watch all those playlists. That's going to really help you to know much about PHP and its framework and about different applications like WordPress and all. Alright, and if you are liking this video, please do consider liking this video along with subscribing our channel. And I have also created a couple of channels called Geeky Syntax. Here also regularly I am posting lot of coding related videos. So please do consider subscribing this channel as well along with Geeky Skip blogging channel. So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.